Hi, I'm Paul with PowerMadd, and I'd like to introduce our new handguard, the SG1. We designed the SG1 for riders who don't like handguards, but at times need to protect their hands from the elements. The SG1 is a soft, molded handguard that can be attached and removed quickly. The SG1 is made from closed-cell foam and is waterproof and extremely durable. The SG1 has an innovative mounting system that uses the handlebar, wires, and cables to securely mount the guard in place. This mounting system allows the handguard to be used on most snowmobiles and ATVs. Now let's go over the features and benefits of the SG1. Helps keep hands warm and dry, can be installed and removed quickly, waterproof and durable, fits most ATVs and snowmobiles, unique mounting system included, securely attaches and will not spin or rotate on the bars, almost 14 inches wide, almost 9 inches tall, and 2.5 inches deep. On some models, the SG1 may restrict the use of the parking brake. Mounting systems available separately. Now we're going to go mount the SG1 on a Rev XP.
This is our sawtooth foam. What we try and do with this is take these wedges of foam and wedge it between the cables and the lines, which helps the guard to not rotate once it's installed. And then attach the Velcro, and you got a solid mount for your SG1 handguard. Then we take our handguard, use this center line here, and try and line this up with your handlebars. Attach it to the foam. Wrap your 2-inch strap around. Secure it. And then our cinch strap, hold it through, tighten that up, attach it there, and you have your guard.
Now let's go mount the SG1 on a Polaris IQ with covered handlebars. So now we're at the Polaris IQ with the covered handlebars. You're not going to need your sawtooth foam. You can mount the SG1 right onto your bar pad here. Find the location that you want the guard in. Cinch up your strap. Tighten up your cinch strap. And you're ready to go. Parking brake still works, but you should check on some models the parking brake might not work. Now let's mount the SG1 on a Yamaha Kodiak. So on the Kodiak, the left side, we take the sawtooth foam and wedge it between the cables and the wires, and then roll it up and secure the Velcro. Once that's done, we can take and mount the SG1. Can you cut that part? Maybe. Bam! The Grizzly has a large master cylinder that takes up quite a bit of space, and what we can do is cut sections of the sawtooth foam out so it forms a nice mounting system for the SG1. I've marked where I need to cut out the sawtooth foam, and I'll go ahead and cut that out. Now that I've cut out the sections of the sawtooth foam that I needed, I'm going to go ahead and mount it up. Again, I take the sawtooth foams and wedge it in between the cables. Wrap it around, secure the Velcro. After you mounted this, check your throttle and make sure that it's still functioning and not sticking. Now I'll go ahead and mount up the handguard. Same as before. Get it in the right position. Secure the Velcro. Then secure your cinch strap. And you're ready to ride. That's our new handguard, the SG1. For more information, go to our website at PowerMadd.com.